Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKit Club. And today I am focusing on the Pocket Life Kit and the cardstock kit. I am working with the McCarthy and I was totally inspired by the colors from the Pocket Life cards. There are some gorgeous yellow tones, some dark blues and some light blue turquoise tones. And they are the same colors in the in the cardstock kit. And so I thought I would go with some stripes in, from light to dark. And I'm just cutting down the Pocket Life cards and the cardstock. And I really like the colors together. But I will change the size from the stripes or the strips in a bit, just because it was taking too much space on the layout and it was a big bulk of papers on one. So I don't know, I just resized the papers, and here I'm grabbing my scissors and I'm just tracing all of the edges. But yeah, I stopped filming just because you don't need to watch me doing that on all the strips. And this is the idea I'm going for. You can see I'm starting on the dark blue paper and then going up to the yellow. And I'm scrapping a tiny square picture from me, just using a funny Snapchat filter. And this layout is about creating and the good life. And yeah, we are all having a rough time at the moment. I'm feeling that. So I have a rough time, definitely. So I need to focus on the good things, the bright colors and the happiness, and, just to have a good time. These are the gorgeous glittery foam thickers from Amy Tangerine, and I am bringing in just some random bits, some arrows, some rainbows, here and now, and the good life. And I believe I will stop on one point and I will resize the strips and I will glue everything down, just because when I'm looking at the screen right now, I really like how this is looking. But when I was making this layout, I was like, no, that's too much paper and the picture is too small, and so I just stopped and I will resize the papers. And yeah. Here I'm just looking into the stamp market and the Amy Tangerine die cut. I wanted to bring in some more, but I couldn't decide to anything, so I stopped. And here you can see I resized the papers, and I really like it how this is looking right now. Yeah, I have glued down all of the paper strips, and now I'm just bringing in the details. And I will also grab one of these gorgeous flowers, and I can't remember the brand right now, but it was not included in the Pocket Life kit. It was maybe in the main kit, but the colors were just perfect, and so I will grab one of these in a bit. Yeah, I'm using tons of foam tape and 3D stuff so that I will get tons of dimension here. And I'm distressing the edges and curling them up, and I really like how this is looking. And I'm also going back to the stickers in a bit, and I wanted to use one of these gorgeous, cute blue birds, but it was not possible. They were not, I couldn't find the perfect spot, and so I will not use one of them, but I will try it. I think I tried it for 3 or 4 times, and yeah. Here I just added that notebook paper strip from one of the Amy T die cuts. And I believe, oh yeah, now I will grab these pink paisley puffy stickers, just because I wanted to bring in some more words, but there, I don't know, it was nothing working. Oh, here's my hubby's arm. He just wanted to tell me something, and yeah. So here you can see the gorgeous flower in the middle from my layout, and I love how this is looking right there. And yeah, so just because I couldn't find any other details or elements I wanted to use, I decided to bring in some thread. I will use some yellow, so some dark blue, some light blue, and I am just adding the thread behind some of the things, some of the details, the embellishments, and I am happy that I did that just because I really like how this is looking. And I am sorry about my light. I am not using any studio light, so this is natural light, but it was, you know, a strange weather outside, and so sometimes it's a bit lighter and sometimes it's not, and I'm sorry. But I am done. I'm just gluing down the last piece of thread, and I believe I am done. I'm not pretty sure, but no, I will bring in some white enamel dots in a second. But next to that, I am done, and I am totally happy about this layout. I totally love the colors, and I love that you will find stickers and stuff in each color. So it's I really love to do the tone on tone thing, and I was happy that I could find so many things. And now I'm bringing in the enamel dots, and that's it. So you will get a close-up and some final pictures. And thank you so much for stopping by today. I wish you all a great day, and yeah, hope you're all healthy, safe and healthy. And yeah, that's it. So talk to you soon, and bye.